Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about meditation, guides, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. You can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account. Now wait a few seconds to build in the store. So the first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store and go to the themes. So here you can select any theme you want. I'm gonna just skip the DOM theme. So now you can customize it on your home page. After you select any theme, wait to install it and publish it, and you can customize it like this. And now it will take you to your home page store. Here the settings. Here if you wanna change the style of your home page, you can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop. Here this is the settings where you can design your store if you want. So here we have we have the header, the announcements bar. Here you can change the color scheme. You can show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. Also you can auto rotate announcements. If you want to enable country and region selector, and if you want to enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text. You can pass a link or search for something. I'm gonna, for example, select all collections. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. So here we find you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it if you want. Or also here you can change the desktop menu type or the sticky header. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here if you wanna edit the mobile layout, the mobile logo position, you can edit the spacing and the section pattern, the top and the bottom. So that's it. Here we have the theme settings. You can enable search suggestions. Here if you wanna put your social media links, Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo. So you have to upload your logo from your library, not from the browser. So it must be from your own library. So for example, let's search on some logos on the browser. So for example, I'm gonna choose this just for example. So that's it. This is your logo right now. You can change it at any time you want. Here you can change the desktop logo width and the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the next section, the image banner. So here you have the two images if you want to add two images. So for example, let's add some images from the browser. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can add the second image if you want. Here if you want to edit the image overlay opacity, you can edit the banner height. Also you can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. Also you can change the desktop content alignment. You can change the animations and the mobile layout. Here if you want to turn this on, stock image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the heading. So here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Meditation guides, and click here. You can choose from the suggestions here. You can change the heading size. So let's move on to the buttons. Here you can change the first button label if you want to change it. You can change the button link. You can use outline button style. Here if you already add the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link. Also you can use outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the featured collection. So here you can generate the text on the heading like this. You can also edit the form of the text. Meditation guides. Here you can change the description, generate the text. You can show collection description from the admin. Also you can change the description style. You can make products full width. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. You can change the product card. You can show second image on hover. Also you can show vendor, you can show product region. Here if you want to enable quick add button, and you can enable swipe on mobile. So if you want to add something new on your homepage, click here and select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section of the website, the photo section. Here you can change the color scheme. You can show email sign up. Here you can generate the heading. You can enable show on follow on shop. So that's it. Now let's save this. After you're done from designing your websites, you can save this and get back to the home page, to the dashboard. After you customize your online store and add your first product, now you can add the custom domain, and after this add the sharing details. Next step is name your store. So you can change your name store any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, you can change your store email. So let's save this. The next step is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it. All you have to do is publish your online store and launch it. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.